Hi guys, I have another great Neutrogena product for you. Yes, I'm excited. I know you can't stand my excitement. It's too much for you. But this is a 3-in-1. It's a Hexinol. I don't know, but this is going to get rid of wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and increase firmness. What more could you want? I mean, that's a lot for a little Neutrogena product. And not only that, it's got SPF in it. SPF as well. Wow, this is a great time saver. I love this. Triple age repair. I mean, Neutrogena really just keeps doing it again, right? How do you not know about this product? It's like everywhere. And you know, they keep changing the packaging, which is wonderful. Look at that. Beautiful purple, fun, purple royalty. What a great color. So anyway, it's not just the color though. We know that, right? We don't care about the color. We want this stuff to work. And this nice, creamy, absorbs quick. You know what's so great about this product is that it does all of that. It's got SPF in it, but it's so lightweight. I mean, look at that. It absorbs right into my skin. It's crazy because SPF, I'm not a fan of SPF. I know we have to use it, but you know, I really don't love it, but stuff like this particular product, the fact that it absorbs right in and it's kind of built into your regular daily moisturizer and you can wear it underneath your makeup and stuff like that, that works for me. And I know it'll work for you too. Try it. You got nothing to lose, except maybe some wrinkles. Check it out.